Okay, let's look at this question. In the figure, RT equals TU with the measure of VST is 29 and the measure angle of RVS is 41. What is the value of X? So with the information given, I'm given that RT equals TU. So this is going to equal this over here. And with that, I can say that the triangle UTR is an isosceles triangle. So I'm going to write iso for an isosceles triangle. And that basically means that we have two sides that equal the same, like the lengths, which is RT and TU. And that also means that we're going to have two angle measures that equal the same. So in this case, it's going to be U and R, and that's going to be important to solve for the answer. So we're given that VST is 29, so let's write that. So S on top is going to be 29 degrees. And we're given RVS is 41. So V is going to equal 41 right over here. So how can we look for the angle measure X? What I can do is look at V, and V is a straight line when it goes from U to R. So what I can do is do 180 minus 41 to look for the angle measure missing, which is right here, to make 180. So if we do 180 minus 41, I'm going to get 139. So the angle measure missing for V is going to be 139. So let me rewrite that. 139. And remember, this is equivalent. So now I have 139. Well, what else I can do now? If we look at the triangle UVS, right, that triangle, I can see that I have 130 and 29, and the angle missing is U. So I can do 139 plus 29, which is going to equal 168, and I can look for my angle measure of U, which is going to be 12. So because if I do 180 minus 168, that's going to equal 12, and that's going to be my angle measure for U. Now remember, we said that UTR is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, angle measure R is also 12 as well. And to look for X, all I have to do is see that UTR is a triangle and T is an obtuse angle, so I can add both U and R, subtracted by 180, and then I'm able to get X. So if I do 12 plus 12, I get 24. So to look for my angle measure X, so X is going to equal 180 minus 24, which is going to equal 156, and that's going to be my answer.